Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some wireless Bluetooth over-ear headphones. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing some studio wireless Bluetooth headphones from the company OneOdio. This is actually the model A11, and these actually offer a lot of capabilities. They're Bluetooth 5.0. You can use them wirelessly. You can plug a cable or auxiliary cable to these headphones to use it that way. And then if you do use it wirelessly, it can last up to 24 hours on a single charge, and the charging time is only 2 hours. So, you can really use these headphones for a really long period of time before needing to actually charge up them. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns? Leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of portable Bluetooth headset. And then also, if you guys actually are interested in taking a look at all the details, specifications, and parameters about this Bluetooth headphones, that kind of stuff will be down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this set of Bluetooth headphones. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the packaging of this headphones is pretty sophisticated but really simple, and it looks really nice and presentable with a few specifications and details on the side, which we are going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. So on top of the box, it just says OneOdio. This is Bluetooth headphones, and the model is A11, like I mentioned earlier in the video. And we have a visual representation of the headphones themselves on the side. Now on this side, there's a larger list of the specifications and details and package contents that this pair of headphones has to offer, which you guys can take a pause if you're interested in. But that's basically it for the outside of the box. So what I'm going to do now is actually open up the box. It looks like the headphones themselves come in a nice carrying case. So this is our OneOdio A11 user manual. And you guys can see it's a pretty decent sized booklet, and it's also in a bunch of different languages. This is like a warnings or caution manual, and it's a pretty big warnings and cautions manual, but it'll explain to you guys some of the things you should probably look out for and not do with these headphones. So definitely keep that in mind if you are gonna buy or use these headphones. So inside this plastic bag, we do get included with some different accessories that we can utilize with these headphones. Let me just pull them out. So we get included with a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio jack. And then we also get included with a USB-A to micro USB cable that we need to utilize when charging up these headphones. Now, let's take a look at the actual main highlight of this product, which is obviously the headphones themselves. So let's actually open up this drawstring bag, and we're gonna pull out the headphones themselves. And it's kind of a little bit tight, so I do apologize for that. But this is how the headphones look like. Wow. And they are foldable. So you guys can see you can easily fold them back up and down. And man, I actually love the design. It's an interesting design. You guys can see it kind of has like a belt buckle on the side, and I'm guessing that's how you can actually adjust. Especially like if you have a big head or a smaller head, you can easily adjust it. So yeah, it's definitely, I would say it's a very interesting design. We got OneOdio imprinted on the top right here. And everything's nice and has nice cushioning and everything. So that's good to see as well. And yeah, it looks like these are not swivel. So do keep that in mind. These do not have swivel cup earphones or ear pads. Now on this side, we have all our different media buttons and controls. You guys can see there's a bunch of them. We have our 3.5mm audio jack input. And then on this side, you guys can also see we have our micro USB port that we need to utilize when charging up these headphones if we want to use them wirelessly. But yeah, overall, nice construction. And you guys can see it says left on this side for our left side and R for our right side. So you can easily identify what side is what with these headphones. And yeah, I really like the design. And then if you wanted to, like I said, you can actually, adjust it. So this is actually kind of cool. I actually like how it kind of snaps in like that. And I can easily adjust how I want these headphones to be. And then to fold them up, you guys can see it just kind of collapses in place. But yeah, really nice. Very interesting design, if I do say so myself. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. Before we actually, go over to my phone and connect these headphones to my phone, why don't we actually put these headphones on my head just so we can see how the sound quality is. So I'm actually gonna put this on my head, do some adjustments. These headphones are really comfortable. These will definitely be one of the more comfortable headphones I've ever reviewed, in my opinion, to be honest. It's not heavy. My ears are able to actually fit inside the ear muffins themselves. So it's really a comfortable fit. And I like the design. I'm telling you guys, this design looks really nice and presentable. It doesn't make these headphones look cheap. It looks like it's some really durable and very expensive headphones, because especially with the strap thing that I showed you guys that you can use to adjust the height of these headphones, it just gives it a much more premium look to them. But overall, I like the fit. There is a little bit of noise canceling, but it's not strong. Do keep that in mind. These headphones, I can hear a lot of the background noise, so do keep that in mind. There's not really a lot of noise canceling with these headphones. So what we're gonna do now is actually go over to my phone and we're gonna connect to the Bluetooth of these headphones. So let me go to my Bluetooth settings. And what we need to do actually is take these headphones off, and I need to turn on these headphones. So in order to turn on these headphones, I believe you gotta press down on that play button until the lights start flashing. You guys can hear it did some boom, letting you know it's on. And we have a blue and red light flashing right there. And now let's see if it's gonna show up on my list of Bluetooth devices. And you guys can see we have OneOdio A11. You just connect to it and it's gonna pair up to your phone or your device that you actually use to actually connect to these headphones, and it's just gonna take some time to pair up here. It's connected, the battery's at 100%. So now what we need to do is to go over to a music streaming platform so we can test this out with a few different songs. So I have a song pulled up, and what I'm gonna do is actually start from 0, and then we're going to gradually increase the sound quality of these headphones so we can actually hear how good the sound quality is with this A11 OneOdio headphones. So let me click on that play button, and we're going to gradually increase the audio. So it's going up slowly. And we're just going to see how the bass and everything is, because these have stereo quality speakers, and it's also hi-fi sound quality. So let me see and see how good the sound quality is. Okay, not bad at all. I could definitely tell that there is an emphasis on the bass, but overall, the loudness of this headphones isn't that high. I have it at max volume right now, but I wish the sound quality was a little more higher. But the music quality is good though, so that is good to see. It's just I wish the sound quality was a little bit more high and a lot more louder to hear. But I can definitely tell there's an emphasis to the bass and all the different dynamics of the song. And the music quality is pretty decent, like I just mentioned. And I don't believe with these headphones, you guys will get any audio leakage where, everybody around you would actually hear what you're listening to. And now, let me take off these headphones. We're gonna take a look at some of these different media controls so you can play and pause. So if I click on this middle button, it should pause my music, which it does. And then if you click again, it should start playing. There we go, you guys can see it starts playing. And then with these buttons, you can actually play and not play and pause, but you can actually, what is it called? Increase or decrease your volume. So I'm gonna increase the volume. You guys can see it's max volume. And I could also decrease the volume. And now the volume's going down. And I can increase it back up. Okay, I did forget to mention with that volume up and volume down buttons, these also serve as, previous track and forward track buttons as well, if you do a long press of those buttons. So if you want to skip to another song or go back to a previous song, just do a long press with those buttons and that should do it for you. And then that middle button is actually there's 4 different functionalities with that button. So obviously you could play and pause, you could turn on and off this headphones, and you could also answer and then end the phone call with that middle button as well. So we might test that out later on in the video. But let's just listen to another song real quick. Okay, it's not bad. There's a lot of dynamic range with the music. I can definitely, hear all the different aspects of the song, and it's doing a good job of balancing out the music. So overall, the sound quality is good. It's just I wish the headphones were a little more louder, like I mentioned. But let me give you guys another sound sample with my lav. You guys can see the sound quality is not bad. And I think you guys kind of got the point. So what I'm going to do right now is proceed to give you guys, or do what is it called? A mic test, so we can actually hear how good the sound quality is that's being captured with the microphones on board of these headphones. Okay, so let's actually commence the microphone test. So what I'm going to do is click on this button, and it's going to start capturing the microphone, whatever the microphone's capturing. So I'm going to click on the record button. All right, so it should be recording this headphone's microphone. How's the sound quality? Is the sound quality loud and direct? Can you guys hear me clearly? Is the audio not distorted? Hopefully it's able to capture a large range. Can I, kind of walk over here? Can you guys still hear me? Because you should be able to, because the microphone's right here. And if I move my phone away, can you guys still hear me? Is the range pretty decent? Is it not breaking out? Hopefully, the sound quality is pretty decent. I'm going to definitely listen back to this and see how the sound quality is. But, hopefully this could be used for, phone calls. You can use this for gaming purposes. You can use it for your Zoom meetings. And hopefully this is a pretty decent set of microphones that are on board with this headphone. Okay, so I just listened back to the audio that was recorded with these headphones, and they sound fantastic. I wish there was more emphasis to my actual voice, because it was still kind of capturing some of the background noise around me. But overall, the sound quality coming out of these microphones is pretty decent. It's going to do a decent job if you're just doing basic stuff, like if you're just picking up phone calls once in a while, or if you're talking to people like on video chat or whatever. These microphones will be able to actually pick up your voice pretty substantially. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about the OneOdio A11 Studio Bluetooth wireless headphones? Well, they're very fantastic. They're doing a fantastic job. The sound quality was pretty decent, like I mentioned many times. The design is really nice. I love the overall finishing of it and look of it. It's a really premium look. It's all blacked out. There's only a few different details or accents that kind of make it stand out. So that's also very nice to see. There's not a lot of branding stuff that a lot of headphones now have, especially with other brands that make it known that, okay, this is this product headphone. So it's kind of nice that it kind of with a subtle design with these pair of headphones. So you still get that premium look, but it's also not too flashy. So overall, I'm really impressed with these headphones, and they did a fantastic job in terms of balancing out the music. But with that being said, we are going to conclude the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of pair of headphones. And then also, if you're a business or a company wanting to potentially work with me, my business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any photo assistance with this product, you guys can do so by contacting me via my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product, get more details or specifications about it, that kind of stuff will be down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're actually interested in buying this pair of headphones. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I've been making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.